Come by 6. Come by 6. How soft. How soft. Suppose. Suppose. Come to the point. Come to the point. Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Cheer up. Cheer up. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. I think so. I think so. Get that. Get that. No way. No way. Speak up. Speak up. In my point of view. In my point of view. It will do. It will do. How awful. How awful. Run upstairs. Run upstairs. So kind of you. So kind of you. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. At least. At least. Stay up. Stay up. Wake up. Wake up. Watch out. Watch out. Look out. Look out. In my opinion. In my opinion. Take this. Take this. How nice. How nice. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. I suppose so. I suppose so. Carry this. Carry this. What's happened? What's happened? Certainly. Certainly. For sure. For sure. I am extremely sorry. I am extremely sorry. Give it back. Give it back. Take some. Take some. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. Inform me. Inform me. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Wow. Wow. How intelligent you are. How intelligent you are. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. I guess. I guess. It's enough. It's enough. What a surprise. What a surprise. Get off. Get off. Get down. Get down. I am up. I am up. Oh no. Oh no. Who knows? Who knows? Clean up. Clean up. I don't want that. I don't want that. This way, please. This way, please. Who cares? Who cares? Straighten up. Straighten up. Get up. Get up. How far is it? How far is it? Don't worry. Don't worry. Forget that. Forget that. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Turn over. Turn over. Good idea. Good idea. Ask me. Ask me. That's right. That's right. What a pity. What a pity. You got it? You got it? Maybe. Maybe. Let me see. Let me see. What now? What now? How absurd. How absurd. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.